Here is a recipe and step-by-step process for cooking butter chicken masala. Ingredients for the marinade: 1. 500 grams boneless chicken. 2. 1/2 cup plain yogurt. 3. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 4. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 5. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 6. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 7. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 8. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 9. Salt to taste. For the sauce: 1. 2 tablespoons butter. 2. 1 tablespoon oil. 3. 2 medium onions, finely chopped. 4. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 5. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 6. 2 medium tomatoes, chopped. 7. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 8. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 9. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 10. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 11. Salt to taste. 12. 1/2 cup heavy cream. 13. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped for garnishing. Instructions: cut the boneless chicken into small pieces. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken along with all the marinade ingredients. Mix well, cover the bowl with cling wrap and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Preheat a grill pan or a regular pan on medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces and cook until browned on all sides. Remove the chicken pieces from the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the butter has melted, add the finely chopped onions and sauté until translucent. Add ginger paste and garlic paste to the pan and sauté for a minute. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. Let the mixture cool down a bit, then transfer it to a blender and blend until smooth. Transfer the sauce back to the pan and add the grilled chicken pieces. Stir to combine and cook for 5 to 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Add heavy cream to the pan and stir well. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or naan bread.